So welcome to CNH Rider, guys. Today is the day I finally decided to go get my hands on the xpulse210. The vehicle was finally available for test drive. I've been waiting since Jan starting of this year, but the vehicle was not available. So now today I'll be riding it, sharing the raw footage of the audio, video. So check it out. So finally here it is, the xpulse210. We have the Alpine silver color available. Looks good, and the bike is actually really nice to look at. Has a sculpted tank and good height. I'm able to flat foot. My height is around 5'9", 10. I think it's 5'10" probably. And suspension is plush, really good. And the display here, as you all can see, that looks good as well. It's a color TFT display. So from here onwards, we'll be going to a very nice off-road patch to test the suspension of the motorcycle, how it feels, and how the engine performs on the off-road, and how the tires grip is. So here we go. So finally guys, end of the off-road trail, and the bike is really amazing. The suspension is so good, so comfortable, the riding stance, and the bike is very good. I'm in love with the bike. The bike feels so good. It gives you the confidence to push. The tires on this bike I think are the C8 Euro grip. They do a pretty decent job. I mean, for off-road and on-road purposes, I think they are decent. We can always get better aftermarket tires if we need, but yep, it's doing a good job. I absolutely love the bike. It's really amazing, and the power is very good. The exhaust is so throaty, so sporty, sounds so nice, and I love to drive this bike off-road. You know, to have some fun on and off the road again and again. The brakes are decent, and overall it's a really good bike for your daily commutes. And we'll be doing further tests and I'll be posting. Thank you.